Hi everyone and welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're making a berry smoothie with strawberries and blueberries. Subscribe for more recipes each week. So this is really quick and all you'll need is some blueberries, strawberries, a banana. I've actually frozen the strawberries and the blueberries, so they're really quick and easy, and I've got a jug of milk there, so just add as much or as little milk as you need for the amount of people that you're making the smoothie for. So I'm just putting the fruit into the blender and breaking up the pieces of banana. So in goes the milk. We're just adding all of the milk there right to the top of the container. Let me know in the comments below which other smoothie recipes you'd like and if you'd like me to make any ones for you and share on Reeta Soul Food. So we're ready to blend and bring all these yummy ingredients together. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to for new recipes each week, and check out all the other recipes on Reeta Soul Food. You can also add some other ingredients, different berries here. You could add some raspberries and really just bring in some more flavours at this stage if you want to. So I'm just going to ladle all of this yummy goodness into a glass and we're ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. See you again soon.